Guys, there's a frog outside. My camera's just bust, so I thought I'd come out with my Pixel G, whatever it is, super duper thing. I don't know how to work it. I just want to show you that. I also want to show you that hair system in the flesh. That looks awesome, all around there and so forth. A few people are picking up, thinking, "Oh, I can see the dark things." That's because we do the root, or I do, first 1/4 of an inch to my base colour, and then put the highlights over it. But in the flesh, it just blows people away. Just been to a christening. Hello, Laura and John. Thank you for inviting me and Judy. Sophia's christening, and met Tom as well, which is fantastic. Keep watching the vids, Laura. Anyway, let's talk about prices. $5.50 for a hair system. They start from, and it all depends on the size of the template made. If it's under 9x7, it can start at $5.50. If it's Asian hair, maybe slightly less. It's like I said in another vlog. Doesn't mean it's better, right? There's plenty of European guys that come in and have got a warmth in their hair. Then I'll select Asian if it's a dark brown, because it carries a warmth naturally, and I'll use that. Textures may be different. European hair is slightly more. I'll give you an example. This hair system here, which I still like a lot, would cost £645 because it's got 4 blends in it. So they range from $5.50. We get that asked a lot, and it's all over the website, which is strange. Coming to see me is the most important thing. I'm always able, it's like a broken record, to attach a sample to your skin. Gratefully, very gratefully, we get 80 to 100 orders back to HQ every week. You know, a lot of them are dispersed all over the place, and many people come for fittings, so I can always use a system that's a client's. Everybody knows that, because that's the reason why most of them gone ahead. Attach it. It won't be bespoke to them, but it'll show people enough what's possible, and it works every time. So you don't have to look at me and the beast. The beast is inside, so I can't bring him out. Forgive me for that, because he likes making an appearance. So go to the prices. Just look at Hairfall website. We're everywhere it says from $5.50. But I'll give you an example. On Saturday I saw 2 guys, and it was under $5.50 because their heads are really small, and to be fair, they looked alright, bold. Can I tell you a story? When I was really small, I knew I didn't want to go bold. I used to go to my grandparents for Christmas, and a bit more than Christmas, but every time I used to go for, that sounds really bad, doesn't it? I used to go there for Christmas with all the family, and I was so conscious of the size of my big head that I used to have to break the back of the Christmas hat to get it on my head. It was really sad, you know. I was only 6 months old. Boom, boom. No, I was literally in my, you know, young, before 10, and I used to be conscious of it. So I knew that I ain't gonna like to go bold. I've got another story actually. When I'm going to tell you this one, it was shaky camera. When I was going bold, I got a swimming cap, put it over my head. This is like 1992, and it's a Kodak cameras. Then, so I took selfies with a swimming cap on, sent them off. I had to wait 14 days for them to come back. So I was doing selfies back then. It came back because I thought I looked okay with a swimming cap on in the mirror, but you always think you look okay until you see pictures. And it came back, and I looked and went, I can't go bold. Hence, I'm here. Fell into the business, as you all know, but here I am, and here I'm going to stay. I've got a lot to do. Got a lot of bold people to keep happy. Anyway, guys, a bit of an unusual one. You can see my hair outside. See you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.